All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So here is my new to me, no, it's not new to me, but yeah, new to me, 2025 Stark Varg EX Alpha model with the 80 horsepower. We're gonna take it for a little ride today. I've got just over 107 miles on this bike, and it is nothing but an absolute freaking blast to ride. I got each map set up. I think it's the lowest is 16, and then it doubles all the way up to 80 at the very end. And I've found out like 50% regen is where it's at. And then I had an old NEMA 1450 plug, and I have an adapter for it, so I can charge this bike literally from 0% to 100 in 2 hours at the full 3.3 kilowatts. So that's awesome. So let's go take this thing for a rip. God, I freaking love this bike. I do have some goodies coming for it. We have a full custom graphics kit that I had designed for me. I'm gonna tell you right now, even with these knobby tires, 80 horsepower is completely useless, or the tires are completely useless. It absolutely smokes the rear tire off. It's hard not to smile when you ride this thing. I love it. I will tell you though, any more than like 30 minutes or an hour, this seat sucks tremendously. So hopefully to get a concept seat in the future, I get it. You know, it's an EX trail riding enduro bike, but this seat absolutely sucks. So we got to get that fixed. I want to get something different for these mirrors. Not a big fan of this throttle. Super hard. But enough complaining. Everything else about this bike is absolutely phenomenal. I love that this cell phone is the dash. That's definitely something totally different that I'm not used to. The power and torque on this thing is just absolutely ridiculous. I mean, even in mode 2, at like 30 something horsepower, going 60, 65 miles an hour, this thing just pulls. It just doesn't stop. It's crazy. It's just crazy how fast this is. God, and you guys have no idea. I cannot wait to get my truck out of the shop so I can take this to an actual off-road park. Clare Creek up in Milton. I get a day pass and go ride. I rode this out on the Eglin Range and it did well, but I will tell you what, sand heats this battery up like nobody's business. And then I have the Pirelli Rallycross tires. And I remember whenever I was at the dealership, I put it in mode 5 and they do a rolling burnout. It's ridiculous the amount of power this freaking bike has. It's honestly kind of terrifying. See, it is absolutely terrifying. Let's put that back on too before we end up on the back on our pavement. And that was just a quick little blip of the throttle. Ain't gonna lie, that made me pucker up a little bit. Even going down the road, I've been going 45 and just a small twist of the throttle like that on mode 5. Yeah, it'll make you come alive real quick. Have that adrenaline going. All right, this is my favorite little spot just to go play around in. Don't really want to get muddy, but got my nice shorts on to get muddy. It's so nice to be able to go off-roading too, knowing that you're not disturbing people with the loud exhaust too. And I do think I need to get some bar risers, because whenever I'm standing up and I'm fully extending my arms, I don't like that. So we're definitely gonna get some bar risers too. I can't wait for the vinyl shop to get my graphics printed and put on. I think you guys are gonna like it. We got some other protective parts coming as well. We'll talk about that in a future video, because I partnered up with a company and we're gonna be giving away one of the parts that I'm going to use as a protective part as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And if for some reason you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of amazing content coming with this bike and my Guinness World Record e-grom that EMX Brandon and I built. We have some pretty cool content coming. I'm just telling you, it just sucks being down, not having a truck, so I could take this bike and the Grom different places. And I think when I first got the bike, I want to say I rode 50 miles on the main highway of all kind of different throttling, but we're gonna do a 100 to 0 test on the bike as well. We'll have a follow vehicle, aka my truck, whenever I get that back, because I have an all electric truck, and I was like, oh dude, how cool would it be to charge my bike going down the road while driving my truck to a track? I think that would be cool, because my truck has 10.7 kilowatts of off-boarding power at 240 volts, so we'll definitely be able to put some juice on her, have this thing charging at 3.3 kilowatts while going down the road. I think that would be super sweet. And if you guys have any map suggestions, please let me know. Like I said, I'm running double the horsepower in each mode, right around 50% of braking regen. That seems to be nice and smooth when you're going on and off the throttle, but obviously if I'm like in the woods, I don't know what I would have. So I'd love to compare and pick your brain on different modes that you guys have and how you have it set up. I know some people have like actual like wheelie setup modes and all that stuff, so yeah, please let me know about that. So this was just going to be a short riding video. Next video, hopefully we actually get to take this thing off out in the trails and go riding. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what kind of content you guys want to see with my Stark. And yeah, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, leave it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.